Welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today's video is going to be a wig review, and I'm so excited because we are supporting not only a Black-owned business, but a YouTuber-owned business, a fellow YouTuber. I'm so excited. So you guys, this wig is from GleeMade by Miss Jess the Dragoness here on YouTube. If you haven't heard of her, go ahead and check her out because she knows how to slay every single wig on the planet. If it's a good wig, she slays it. If it's a bad wig, she slays it. She knows how to make it look cute. So I'm going to jump right into this. This wig is Raisinette by GleeMade. It is in the color 1B black. The curl pattern is body curls, but according to the description, as it goes on, it gets more voluminous and wavy, and from what I can see from Miss Jess's picture, that's a yes. It has 2 combs in the front, 2 adjustable straps, and another comb at the nape of the neck, and it is a 4x4 lace closure wig. It's kind of yucky. It's a little shiny right now, but from what I can tell, it gets a little more yucky. And it is a synthetic wig. 20 inches. So now that you guys have all the details, it's time to take off my GleeMade baby hairs wrap. This is so helpful, you guys. I've never done baby hair, so this has been really helpful. Let's see what these baby hairs have been marinating. Oh yes, yes. My best friend slayed my hair for me. Thank you, Bimsy. You slayed me. This wig is laid. This is my first time laying a wig, so I'm just getting used to it, you know, getting used to all the shenanigans that goes into it. But you guys, let me tell you about this wig. Let me give you the details on this wig. Let me give you the pros and cons. So this is the wig fresh out of the box. All we did to it was trim a little to give some baby hairs and lay it down. So these are the curls. You see they're full of volume and they don't look exactly like the picture, but that's because you need to give it a couple of days to set. So I'm giving you guys first impressions right out the box. First of all, it's very bouncy, very playful, very fun. The texture is yucky, but it still has a bit of a shine to it. If you don't like the shine straight out the box, I would suggest a little dry shampoo, but those of you who can give it a little time to get a little more natural, give it a couple days, give it a week. I'm sure it will set perfectly. The parting is really good. It's pretty natural looking. For some of you, I know you're gonna want to pluck it more, but this is one of those wigs you could take right out the box, lay it down, and it's fine. Like, the parting is actually pretty natural, and from what I can tell, you can part it different ways: side part, middle part, you know, however you prefer it. I love the length of this wig. It goes just below my breastbone. Oh, actually a little longer. And it is so full. You would expect a synthetic wig to be thin, but look how full and playful that is. It's like body wave bundles. Like, it's so cute. So now that I have listed all the pros of this wig, I love the way it fits. It was easy to lay. It's a pretty good beginner wig if you're looking for a beginner body wave wig. I have one con. While I was laying it down, it was shedding a lot. But you guys know I give not only the first impressions, but I give a 1 and 2 week update. So in a couple of weeks, I'm going to update you guys and tell you how the shedding is. You know, a lot of wigs have a lot of initial shedding, so I'm thinking that's just fresh out the box shedding. But I will keep you guys updated, and I will see you next week for a 1 week update. We laid this wig and we're going to test it. Hi loves, I am back for the update. I know I told you guys I was going to do a 2 and 3 week update, but in between filming those clips and in between filming this clip, I moved cross country and I just got settled into my new place. So sorry. So today we're doing a 1 to 2 month update on this beautiful wig from GleeMade. So I gave you guys the pros. I love how voluminous and bouncy and actually pretty realistic this wig looks in terms of volume. I love the way it lays down so easily. When I don't feel like securing it, it lays down pretty flat, even though I have chunky braids underneath. And then when I do feel like laying it down, when I feel like using wig glue or tape, it just lays down so beautifully. And for someone who has a small head but big chunky braids, that is such a pro to me. It is a really good wig for beginners like me who don't really know how to lay down baby hairs or secure a wig or install. This is a really good wig to practice on, and it makes it easy to do on any size head. As I told you guys before, it was supposed to get less shiny and more yucky with time, and it definitely did lose a bit of luster, which I really liked because it made it look more natural. Now that I'm seeing it on camera, it still does have a bit of shine, but it still looks, how do you say yucky, like silky yucky? What's a good in between silky and yucky? I like it. The only con I had with this wig is that it was shedding a lot when it initially came out of the packaging, and it was shedding full strands of hair when it came out of the packaging. And I was really concerned it was going to continue doing that, because the first 2 or 3 days I was finding full strands of hair like on my desk at work. It was so embarrassing. But once I used some of the wig conditioning spray and really brushed it through to get rid of the excess strands, it didn't shed at all. Like, after that, I didn't have any shedding. Only, of course, when I was brushing and detangling did I feel any shedding, but it wasn't the ridiculous full strands of hair that it initially was. So I would say when you first get it, give it a good brush through and spray so that you get a lot of the initial loose strands out. Otherwise, you guys, I really love this wig, and I would definitely recommend GleeMade wigs. I just want to say congratulations to Jess the Dragoness, because she put together a line of wigs that are affordable, fabulous, and quality. You don't usually get all 3 of those things when it comes to synthetic wigs, and I'm telling you that this brand is something that I'm going to continue to support. I've had this wig for 1 to 2 months now, and I will probably keep it in my collection for another probably 2 or 3 months, because it's good quality and it doesn't tangle as often as synthetic wigs typically tangle. I did have a little bit of tangling at the nape of the neck, but listen, that's where all my wigs tangle. Synthetic, human, expensive, inexpensive, your wig is gonna tangle at the nape of the neck, and you just have to be prepared and detangle it every day. So you guys, that wraps my video. Please, please, please go check out GleeMade wigs. I know Jess runs sales and free shipping and all types of different discounts all the time, but honestly, support her without a discount. Support Black businesses without asking for a discount, because Miss Jess is supplying us with quality, fabulous wigs, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a beautiful day.